Assalamu alaikum pre-9 class, subject computer science. Hope you are all fine students. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the understanding of a problem by using the 5 W's. Now today we are going to start our next topic, that is 1.1.3 planning a solution, and it's on page number 4. After analyzing a problem, we formulate a plan that may lead us towards the solution of a problem. This phase includes finding the right strategy for problem solving. Students, after examining a problem, now we have to express in a concise or systematic way a plan that may lead us towards the solution of a problem. This segment contains finding the right plan for problem solving. Some of these strategies are divide and conquer. This strategy divides a complex problem into smaller problems. A divide and conquer strategy recursively breaks down a problem into 2 or more sub-problems of the same or related type until these become simple enough to be solved directly. Second one is guess, check and improve. The designer guesses a solution to a problem and then checks the correctness of the solution. If the solution is not according to expectations, then he or she refines the solution. The refinement is an iterative process. Guess, check and improve is a problem solving strategy that designer can use to solve problems by guessing the answer and then checking that the guess fits the conditions of the problem. Students, the iterative process is simply a series of steps that you repeat and improving your solution with each cycle. In practical terms, think of it as practice to make your solution perfect. Now the third one is act it out. In this strategy, the designer defines the list of to-do tasks. Afterwards, he or she performs the task. In this strategy, the designer describes the list of tasks that he or she have to carry out. Now, the fourth one is prototype, draw. This technique draws a pictorial representation of the solution. It is not the final solution. However, it may help a designer to understand the important components of the solution. Students, a prototype is an early sample, model or release of a product built to test a concept or process. And pictorial representation means that a solution expressed in pictures. But remember students, solutions which are representing in the form of pictures, these are not the ultimate solution. It's not the final solution. Though it can help a designer to recognize the essential elements of the solution. The selection of a strategy depends upon the solution. It is quite important that one strategy may be more suitable to implement a solution than the other one. Very specifically, the selection of the strategy depends upon the nature of a problem. The selection of a strategy depends upon the problem. It is relatively important that strategies may vary to another one. Very precisely, the variety of this strategy is determined according to the nature of the problem. So students, today we have learned that how can we plan a solution by using the different strategies. Students, you have to learn the page number 4 of unit number 1. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.